Oh no! Oh no no no!
I like your setup, bro. Clean.
Thanks, man. I like your mic.
Appreciate it. Just got it like a couple weeks ago, actually. What, do you have any like originals or anything like you love to play?
I have some originals, yes. I can print one of those if you want.
Yeah, those are always the best.
A few moments later.
This one for you.
Wow. Hey, keep doing what you're doing, bro. Keep sharing it with people.
You're awesome, dude.
Love, bro. See you.
See ya, bro.
You look like you do this professionally.
I just have a good 3D printer. Maybe I can print you something cool, like a werewolf, maybe.
2 hours later.
Yo,
And this one is for you.
that was tight. That was tight. That was very tidy.
What's your name, bro?
You could just call me Teasy.
Sounds good, man.
Hey, yo, let me let you guys get on to the next one, though. Like,
Sounds good, man. Take it easy, Teasy.
Oh my god, wait, no.
I don't know what's going on here. I love your hair and the sunglasses.
Dang, the last guy told me I looked like I had a cinnamon roll on my head.
Maybe I will print you something from the Scooby-Doo.
Oh my god.
Here you go.
Oh, that was so good.
That's for you.
I watch your YouTube.
You watch my YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
No way.
Yes.
What's my name?
I don't know, but I don't know. I swear.
Okay, I believe you. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend.
Bye.
You're on a canoe? No way. Oh, what's up, man?
It's good, bro.
I'm chilling, dude. I'm having a good night. How about you?
I'm good. Wait, hold up.
Let me 3D print a Gengar just for you, okay, man?
1 eternity later.
Here you go. This one's for you.
That was beautiful. That was wow.
Oh, dude, thank you. That was a cool print.
Wow, what the he killed that.
So glad you liked it. Let's go.
Oh my god. Alright, well, I appreciate you playing that for me. It means the world. You make sure to turn the bell notifications on.
You heard him.
Will you play something?
I would be happy to.
Oh my god, what can you play?
Let me show how can I make Iron Man helmet with my 3D printer.
Oh my god, if you pull this off.
Much later.
And it's ready for you. Take it. Please, take a look.
Oh my god! You are so talented!
You're so nice. Thank you so much.
How long have you been playing for?
A long time. 5 years.
I hope people appreciate you on this app, because you're one of the good ones. You're the ones that brings joy to people's day when you do stuff like that.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Don't let anyone discourage you. You're amazing.
Thank you. Thank you so much. People have been requesting really good stuff tonight.
Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. When I go on the next one, I'm going to tell everyone to find you on Omegle.
Let's go. Have a great night. Bye.
You too. Bye.
That was super amazing.